Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you PSN how to cancel pre-order. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. You can cancel a pre-order if the release date has not yet passed. You have not started downloading or streaming the pre-order content including preload. In many cases, if you purchase the pre-order but then request cancellation within 14 days of purchase depending on the region and content not started, you are eligible for a refund. If these conditions are met, you can cancel and get a refund. In order to cancel a pre-order, first what you need to do is simply head over and sign into your PlayStation account on web or via console. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in PlayStation account login. And once the search result loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you and you'll be redirected to the homepage of the PlayStation network. Now simply tap on the sign in option on the top right corner of the screen and use your sign-in ID or email address and then tap on next. Then once that's done, you log in with your password, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is go to your purchase history, transaction history, pre-orders list. Then on the official support page, they call this pre-order reservation details. Find the pre-order you want to cancel, then there should be a cancel order or cancel pre-order option. Simply select that. And now once that's done, all you gotta do is confirm the cancellation. Valid, pre-release, no download, the system should complete the cancellation and you receive a refund. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.